Oh, Craig, you're through to the final. Congratulations.
Thank you. Nah, brilliant. That's what we'll come down here for. Come down here on South Wales on a Sunday night at a supposed 5:55 kick-off. Obviously, we got delayed with an accident caught in it, and it ends up 6:30. And we're really pleased, really professional. Come down here and done what we wanted to do. Got to another final.
Steve, a valiant second half performance just wasn't quite enough.
No, it wasn't. When you come in at two down, which looking back on the goals, they were avoidable from our perspective, so that was disappointing to be 2 down. But again, I thought we showed good character. I made a real good game second half, and yeah, could have easily had that equaliser and maybe took it to pens, but we couldn't quite get it, and yeah, disappointing. But in terms of quite pleased with the performance.
Barri made it difficult for you, especially in that second half.
Yeah, first half I had complete control of the game. But we all know football that 2 halves are never the same. So we knew that they had to do something because we were that comfortable in the first half. And then obviously they got a goal, and then when there's only 1 goal in it, it's always going to be tight. And that one opportunity second half where he's hit the post and a clearance off the line. But apart from that, we've really kept them at arm's length. Really, we've dominated the possession, and yes, we haven't created an awful lot of opportunity ourselves, but we dominated the game in general to a very good Barri team. Jenks has got himself some good lads here, and he's done brilliant from a point of view setting them up and got them competitive, and they look like they're probably going to finish in the top 6, which I'm really pleased with Jenks.
Declan, your 2 goals were the difference in the end. How important was that platform in the first half?
Yeah, really important, obviously, as you said, the way the game panned out. I think we started really well. We controlled the game first half, and then obviously got the 2 goals and getting at half time. But credit to Barri, they came out second half and made it difficult for us. And maybe we got a wee bit tired, maybe we got a wee bit sloppy, but all credit to them. They made it difficult for us, but thankfully we managed to get it over the line.
You were in the right place at the right time for both goals, like all good strikers should be.
Yeah, well, that's the thing. If you get yourself in the 6-yard box, that's where I think probably 99% of goals are scored. So yeah, you just need to find yourself in there and try and sniff at a chance. And thankfully, a couple have fell for me today.
We're a good team, and we shouldn't be happy at that result, because we've got to strive and develop and improve, and there's disappointed faces in there, disappointed faces, and it's quite low and flat, which is good. It's a good sign. We want to compete, we want to make finals, we want to be at the top end of the league, and it's not easy, but we are improving, we are progressing as a team, but we've still got loads of work to do.
And Aberystwyth in the final, a chance for you to defend your trophy.
Yes, it is, and that's really important. We are, obviously we're fighting on all fronts still. Another few weeks where we're fighting on all fronts. We've obviously got a game against Cwpan in the Welsh Cup, and then we've still got an opportunity. It's a big ask, but to get through the next round of the Europa Conference as well. So yeah, it's so far it's been a fantastic season, and we've just got to batten down the hatches and get more games done. We've got 9 games in December, and that's 1 ticked off, so we've got 8 left.